Hey, how's it going? My name's Chris, and I wanted to show a video demonstration of the app that I created for the junior developing role. I'll be emulating this on a Nexus 7. So without further ado, let's start up the app. The first thing that's going to show up is the dynamic loading screen. This is going to load all of the movie objects as well as movie images that are associated with each of the objects. What's included in the movie object is all the descriptions, titles, genres, etc., everything that's associated with the movie. So here we have the main screen, and this just shows all of the popular movies as of today. This only shows about, I think it's 30 movie objects. It's everything that's included on the first page of the popular list API. I think it will return 500 pages, but this is just the first page. So if we click one of the movies, it'll pop up the title, the overview, the genre, and the rating. We now can go back. Everything is included here. One of the interesting things to note is that if we close the app and we reload it, all of the images are saved and cached. So the load takes almost no time at all because it no longer needs to make any more HTTP requests to the database API. If some of the images are cached, sometimes the popular list will be updated. Say if you close the app and you reopen it a week later, the list of popular movies at the time are going to change. So that will leave us with some images being cached and others needing to be requested from the database, and this app will be able to account for that. I think that's just about it. I appreciate you watching this video, and I'd appreciate any feedback, whether it's positive or negative. Thanks for watching.